So, how do I price things up? This is one of the biggest question marks everyone has when they want to start freelancing or a small business. When you don't know a thing or two about business, for sure, you will be guessing about how to do things. And unfortunately, you might end up failing and lose a lot of money and time. That's why a lot of people are afraid of going freelance or starting their own business. Whether you're a student or someone who works for corporate that wants to try their luck in going solo, this video is perfect for you. In this first episode of our Beginner's Guide series, I will tell you the basic considerations you need in setting your prices. Again, the things listed in this video are just the basics. If you have more things to consider, it will all depend on you and your product or business. So without further ado, let's get into the basics. What are the primary factors of pricing your product or service? Number 1 is the direct and indirect cost. According to Wall Street Prep, direct costs can be traced back to its specific product offerings, whereas indirect costs cannot, as these types of costs are not directly tied to production. Here are some of examples. Under direct cost, we have materials, software, labor, packaging and distribution fee. And under indirect costs, electricity, rent, insurance, supplies or utilities. So let's talk about the labor cost, or also known as professional fee. This is the biggest dilemma of beginners because they always tend to overthink that the price they are about to set for their professional fee is too much. They feel that they need to be more experienced or veteran in their niche to be able to set a high price for their professional fee. But here's the problem. Most beginners tend to underestimate their skills. It's not bad to start at a low base price, because everyone starts at the lowest price to get a lot of clients. Because let's be realistic, you will always choose items or services where you can save more money, right? But you need to know the right time when to increase the price of your professional fee, so you don't get stuck at the low base price forever. Remember that you alone can determine how much your worth is. Set your value in a way you want your clients to value you or your products. The proper delivery of confidence attracts people. Confidence makes people think that you know what you're doing. And by this stage, we're pretty confident that this video will surely help you out. So don't hesitate to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Number 2, target market. One of the significant factors in marketing and pricing is the target market. You need to research and obtain information that will help you make strategy decisions about your price. Example: who is your target client? Is it a small business, medium business, or big business? Or maybe you have a specific target individual? Do you know how much is the minimum income of these people? Can they afford your services or product? Another thing that you need to know is it for non-profit or profit project. You might want to do thorough research about pricing for royalties. Because if your clients will use your services or products for their business, this is going to be more complicated. Example of these are merch products like shirt design or home decors. I'm pretty sure every one of us wants to protect our work and be properly compensated, right? So I highly advise you to reach out to legal experts or someone who already has experience in regards to copyrights or design patent and ask them. Because obviously, this is easier way to answer your inquiries and they might throw additional tips here and there. Remember folks, there's no harm in asking. So if you have permission to ask everything you wanted to know, ask them away. Number 3, competitors. Check out the other businesses or individuals that have the same niche and level of business as yours. You need to know who your competitors are because there is no better and easy way to gather data than studying them. All you need to do is a bit of tweaking to match your target profit or price. Number 4, profit. And if you want to grow, don't forget the profit. This is going to be one of the key factors in growing your business. Remember the rule of thumb when it comes to profit margin. 5% is low. 10% is average. 20% is high or good profit. You need to make adjustments based on your previous considerations. 10% is a good way to start, but if the competition is fierce and your product or service is in demand, you might want to make it a little bit lower. That is enough to gain substantial profit. And in return you will attract a lot of clients. Ron Rash said, "A small profit is better than a big loss." So, take these small and sure steps and be consistent on your grind. Soon enough you will gain more loyal clients, and you can increase the value of your business and price. With patience, discipline, and consistency, every hard work of yours will be paid off. And there you have it. I hope this video guides you well. Good luck with your journey. I will repeat, if you have other variables that you need to consider, you can add them along with these. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. Also, comment down below your experiences as a beginner in pricing your products or services, and let's help each other out.